Hello everyone and welcome. So today I'm going to show you how to register with Amazon KDP. It's very simple. It's just like registering on any other platform you've ever seen. It's one of the easiest things to do on Amazon. That's to register. And let me just say this: if you have ever you know had any excuse to register with Amazon in the past for whatever reason, whether you went to buy stuff or not, chances that you have accounts with Amazon is very high. So, but even if you have an account, I'm sure you may not remember that you have accounts with them. Uh, with this tutorial, I'm sure you'll be able to find that. So the deal here now is I already have an account with Amazon KDP. So they will not show me the entire options I need. So you're going to see limited options from me here. So I am going to just try to show you, lead you to what you need to know. So first you click on the search bar and type Amazon KDP. As you can see, it's popped up open. So you click on Amazon KDP login and you search it. Once it opens up, you click on the first page. uh, yeah, so we hear that it says sign in. There is also going to be another button that says sign up. So you're going to click on the sign up button. Once it gets down, it gets to you, it opens the next page. You need to scroll down a bit. You will see where it says create a new account. So assuming you have never had an account with Amazon KDP before, um, it will had it, let's say you've had an account with KDP, Amazon KDP, it's going to show this thing. If you read closely, it says sign in with your Amazon account. Not Oliver, my name is Oliver, so they already have my details with them, so they know when I log in and when I did not. So for you, if you've ever logged in with Amazon before, it's going to show your name here, or whatever email address or name that you put in there. It's going to ask you whether this is you or somebody else trying to log into your account. But assuming you've never had an account with Amazon KDP, you can just click on the sign up button and then scroll down a bit. You see where it says create a new account. So you put all your details. You just have to put your email address, your name, and your select a password, and there you have it. You've basically created an Amazon KDP account. All right. So once you have created your Amazon KDP, it will load and open up for you. The next step you have to follow is to um, start uh, verifying the account to make sure that it stands and it's okay for Amazon to use. So watch out for my next video. I am going to make video on how to uh, get your account verified, how to put in your information, even if you're in Nigeria, because it's kind of hard being a Nigerian and working with Amazon. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do all of that in my next video. So like the video, follow, and subscribe, and to the channel so that you get to see more of these content.